again, I particularly appreciate that because I want you guys to know that this is now what you are capable of. This is what you're doing, right? You've seen me do it a few times, but really it's not about what I do, because I'm not going to be here anymore. It's not like I'm like passing away or anything, but you know, I'm not going to be following each and every one of you around to say, hey, look at this, look, woo, right? You're going to be doing it, which means you've got to do it in your way. You've got to find your way of doing it. And initially it'll feel awkward and clunky because you're trying to do it in my way. And all I can do is present to you how I think about things and give you experiences, which I hope will shape you in such a way that you can then create your own path, your own method for doing work the way you do work. Does that make sense to you guys? Because you'll never do it the way I do it, because you're not me. I'll never do it the way my mentors do it. And it took me a long, long time to figure out that I don't have to. And even today, I'll see a great hypnotist do something, I'll go, damn it, how does he do that? I can't do that. Every now and again, I'll learn something from it. So I'll go, oh, okay, I can take this little bit and add it to what I'm doing, and it'll be better. But I can't do what they're doing, because I'm not them. Does that make sense? Some of you should absolutely be totally direct, linear, grab them by the horns and say, wake up and feel better, because that's who you are. Others of you will be more sort of stroke the hair, it's okay, and all the problems will go away, right? And that's appropriate, because that's who you are. And more importantly, in terms of the techniques, they're not techniques, they're just ways of getting your experience on how to talk to someone else, but not the top level, but the inside level. That's all that you're doing. At that point, the world is your oyster. And a damn fine one it is at that too.